Well, now to the latest on the flu outbreak in the United States. Health officials now say the number of hardest hit states has declined from 29 to 24. The flu season started early this winter and includes a strain that tends to make people sicker. So far, 20 children have died from the flu. There are no numbers for adults, but health officials estimate the flu kills about 24,000 people a year. Our Brenda McLaughlin has been out getting a better picture of how the flu outbreak in our community stacks up against the national epidemic. Brendan?
Well, Linda, there have been 2 documented flu deaths in Florida this season, and our hospitals have not been overwhelmed as they have in other states. In the Bay Area, the situation is very much under control. In fact, health officials characterize our flu situation as moderate.
Happy birthday to me.
The flu is nothing to sing about, but these 4th graders at Walsingham Elementary School in Largo are learning that washing your hands for the length of this song is a great way to stay healthy.
To me.
It's been well documented that hand washing is the best way to prevent the spread of germs.
Still, those germs are spreading at a furious rate around the country, swamping doctors and spreading misery. The up-to-the-minute Google Trends map, which tracks flu-related search queries, finds intense levels of flu throughout the East Coast and Midwest, and in much of Florida, including Miami. But Tampa's interest in flu information is ranked as high, a notch below intense.
It's not off the chart.
Dr. Douglas Holt of the Hillsborough County Health Department says the Bay Area is in the moderate stage of a fairly run-of-the-mill flu season.
Which basically means that it is certainly in the community. It is not everywhere, and we're not seeing a lot of directly linked outbreaks.
The health department measures flu outbreaks in 3 ways: the number of people who show up at emergency rooms with symptoms, actual flu diagnoses by doctors, and the absenteeism rate at Bay Area schools, which is not as high as many assume.
I would characterize it, as far as I know, normal absenteeism, but I know that there's a lot of talk of kids being sick.
But since we're still in the early part of the flu season, things could worsen at any time.
This is the time to double down on your covering your cough, washing your hands, and if you're sick, stay home.
Dr. Holt also recommends a flu shot even at this stage, which should be easy to get. Unlike other parts of the country, the Bay Area has ample supplies of both flu vaccine and flu treatments like Tamiflu. Another indication that things are not so bad, at least not yet.